You asked me for 3 seconds. We wrote a whole song. Yeah. I can't wait for you to hear it. I think we're good to start, right? Maybe It's Maybelline is such an iconic piece of music. Re-recording it and reimagining it, we got a little too into it. Everyone in the studio had like childhood stories or memories, watching these commercials on TV or sitting with our moms while they were doing their makeup, and it became really personal for us. Hit the check. All the lyrics that we wrote were about authenticity and expression and evolution and metamorphosis, but also like a level of confidence that I was born with. I really challenged myself as a songwriter to just not only have my identity in the music, but have the identity of every product that I wanted to celebrate in the song too. So there's things like Make It All the Way to the Top. That was about Sky High. And there was things like They Can't Stop Staring, They're Looking So Long. About my lips looking so like sickening that everywhere you were walking down the street, people were noticing your lipstick. It was so fun. Vinyl ink is a very important part of my performance because I have had lipstick disasters. You want everyone to see the statement of your mouth, but sometimes it's like the statement of my mouth and then the statement on the end of my nose and then it's on my chin. Keep my lipstick where it belongs. Can you turn it up a little? Fabulous. Through every genre that I'm exploring, my makeup has to match. So if I'm doing rock and roll, we might do something smoky. Country, then it might be a little bit more heavy. Pop, playing with colors on my eyelids. I like to think of makeup never as a mask, but as an accessory. I really want it to be flexible with me and move with me. I am so honored to be a part of Maybelline. There's not many collaborations that actually represent both parts. Me as a person or being performative. No matter what, I'm gonna have on mascara and a lip. I try to bring makeup and music together in a more authentic way, so this is a dream. My first Maybelline moment was colossal mascara because mascara was all my mom would let me wear, but I really wanted to wear eyeliner. So I would do my eyelashes like horizontal so it would give me the effect of a cat eye. And that's where I learned that there's really no way of doing your makeup wrong. I'm so much better at talking about makeup than I am about my own songs. Isn't it fierce?
Maybe it's Maybelline.